Greetings everyone, just wanted to share a little update on the indoor do-it-yourself grow towers. But anyway, these are some cherry tomatoes that I started back in the end of February from seed. They were under a 400 watt LED for some time in vegetation mode, and then they were put into here, and it's on a 12-hour on, 12-hour off cycle with the light. There's also some sweet Italian banana peppers that are growing here. These are the same plant that I've had for the last since I started it. Since I built this system. There were also some strawberries in here. These strawberries were originally outside from February up until recently. The temperatures just started getting into the triple digits consecutively, so they had to come in. These cherry tomatoes are just absolutely stunning. The size of them and the color, they're just, they also taste very good. I've been eating them regularly on a daily basis, picking a few here and eating them right off the vine. They have some nice weight to them actually, and they have a really explosive sweet taste to them. Now there's actually two of these cherry tomato plants. I think this is a hybrid cherry tomato plant, if I remember right, and there's two of them in here. There's one on this side which is actually doing better because I think it's closer to the window and it gets some of the sun in the morning comes through there. Just a ton of them. And like I said, I've been picking these off in small amounts every day nearly for probably a couple of weeks. And here's the other plant. Look at that. It's a really nice vine there. And these Italian sweet peppers are also one of my favorite foods to eat during the week. I use these for just about everything, and they just continuously grow. You do have to pollinate them, but it's really not that difficult. Just quite a nice little harvest I just took off this system.